What is going on, guys? We're gonna get the car packed up and we're gonna head up north and we're gonna do a little camping. Everything's about all loaded up, just gotta throw the food in and we are ready to go. Alright, just got to our spot. Now we're gonna unload some stuff and get set up. Wife is getting camp set up. I'm gonna get some firewood. And you don't realize how with a walk down the alley you got me twice. Firewood is all cut, camp is all set up. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now, probably just gonna hang out a little bit, probably go to the beach, take Peggy swimming, and I'll probably do some fly fishing. Then we'll cook some dinner. Got done cooling off in the lake. Peggy got a little bath. Wife went out for a walk with the dog. So I'm gonna try a little fly fishing from just down from the campsite here. See if I can catch anything. Okay, just heading down from the campsite. I got I don't know, little bumblebee lure on. Fish. Little bluegill, very little bluegill, on the little bumblebee can fly. Okay, fly fishing wasn't so good. Caught a few small fish, but nothing special. And now we're gonna get a fire going and start getting dinner ready. Dinner, we're just gonna have pretty standard camping meal. I got some chicken thighs here, some potatoes, and broccoli. I'll season that, a little butter on it, and put that over the fire until it's done. And then I got some broccoli, butter, put a little garlic on there, and some salt and pepper as well. Alright, supper is done and it was delicious. And now we're probably just going to go for a walk, and the wife might go out kayaking this evening. Now we're just gonna sit back, watch the sunset, and get a fire going, and enjoy the rest of the evening, and head to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. Morning everyone. It is about 6 a.m. Weather's a little different today. A lot more clouds and wind. You going swimming already, Peggy? So now we're gonna get some coffee going and cook some breakfast. While our coffee's being made, we actually went ahead and put the tent away quickly. Might be able to hear a little distant thunder, but So at least we got that put away dry. Well, the rain has stopped. Fire is going. Now we're gonna cook some breakfast. Just got done with breakfast, so that is it for this camping trip. Just gonna pack things up here a little bit and head home. Thanks for watching, guys.